The past few years have been pretty intense with COVID and all of the events that came along with that. Last year with HVAC, I think was our biggest year ever, and I've worked myself out of a job in the sense that I don't have any more customers here in Salt Lake City. Doing HVAC work can make a lot of money and can be very rewarding, but it also has some drawbacks. There can be a lot of stresses and anxieties with physically doing the actual work. I feel like my body as a 32-year-old is more like a 42 or 52-year-old. So that's one aspect of it. But having the opportunity to just create content and focus on that is all because of you guys, and I super appreciate that. So as of January, I am doing YouTube full-time. So I wanted to take just a moment to talk about kind of how being a content creator works and how we generate income and how this can be a full-time income. Some of you I thought might be interested in it, but basically to distill it, YouTube is a platform where creators can put out content and you have to meet a certain threshold to monetize your YouTube channel. So currently the threshold for that is 1,000 followers and 4,000 watched hours. So the threshold is pretty low for getting monetized on YouTube. And the way that you can generate money through YouTube is when you watch any video, you will see an ad, whether it's a 5-second skippable ad or it's an ad that you have to watch through. Advertisers actually pay money to place those ads, and the creator gets a small portion of every one of those ads that is played. So every 1,000 views you get so many ad placements, and that can add up as a creator. There's also other revenue streams like Amazon affiliates. As you know, I'm an Amazon affiliate. So I recommend all of my favorite products on my Amazon store, and Amazon gives us a little kickback when people purchase products from our Amazon store. Now, a lot of people have asked, well, how are you gonna create content if you're not physically doing the work? And the reality of it is I sold my customer list of existing customers, but I do still get new customers. So new customers, I can pick and choose if I want to do that work, or I can choose to forward that on to friends that do HVAC work as well. In the several years that I've been doing HVAC work, something that has saved me a lot of time and energy is the CRM that I used, which was Jobber. Obviously, now that I'm doing less of the in-person activities, I'm not going to be using it any longer. But Jobber has been a fantastic resource in terms of knowing where all my customers are, what estimates I have out there. They can send in request forms to request work, and all of that information is automatically saved on my end. And scheduling was also a breeze with their software. So I highly recommend Jobber for anyone who's in the service industry. Click on the link in the video description where you can get 14 days free to see if Jobber is a good fit for your business. Now, being as I'm creating content full time now, I do want to broaden the scope of the channel. So I want to get some feedback from you guys. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see on this channel. I want it to be more so of a DIY and general channel, not just HVAC, although that has a special place in my heart. But I also want to implement electrical, plumbing, and other DIY projects that many of you can benefit from as well. Well guys, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate your support. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and until next time, you guys be safe. Later.